Get into this lace. Absolutely positively stunning. Okay. Like, bitch, bye.
You look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another one from NadulaHair. I'm coming through with an auburn red 24-inch body wave unit. Okay, she's absolutely stunning, 150% density. She's currently going for just about $325. Let's get in the cap construction. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, okay, Wakanda forever hoe, and she looks absolutely stunning. Now I'm gonna go through, throw my curls up in there. Y'all know how we like to do, okay? Get her together and throw her up on my head. Y'all see me? Braid it down. I did the damn thing today, okay? Oh, let me get you into this lace really quick. Just so you know, this is a 13x4 lace. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. The lace color is really beautiful as well. I'm excited. I'm really excited about this one. All right, my loves, let's get on into this stunning auburn unit from NadulaHair. They are having a sale, so you guys feel free to go on over there and check them out. I know this unit is relatively expensive, but that's, you know, up to the person who is purchasing, okay? So I ain't counting nobody coin, but I'm gonna say this. If you want some coins off, you'll go to NadulaHair.com, or Nadula.com. So I am going on through with my golden hats and curling up this unit, okay? This hair is absolutely stunning. It's one of my favorite units yet, okay? It's the color for me. It's the curl for me. I am really into this unit. Now, the density is really nice and thick, which I absolutely love. I love the texture of the hair. I was worried about it getting a little bit frayed at the ends, but I think that's a me thing and not a hair thing. She is a big head friendly unit, but you guys really need to check this one out. I am absolutely positively obsessed. The color of this hair is absolutely everything. I cannot stress that enough. So I'm going to shut my Mimi tape mouth. Y'all going ahead and watch this while I curl this up, okay? And I'm going to see you on the other side.
I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream.
Okay, look at this wig. Get into this lace. Absolutely positively stunning. Okay, like, bitch, bye. Bye. So I do want to do, I think I'm going to start taking these out and then I'll do the top. So all the stuff I use were Ibn products. Make sure you jump down in my bio, in the description below, and get all of the Ibn products from Ibn.com, IbnNewYork.com, so you guys can lay your wigs. I actually really do love their products. We want these curls to stay, honey, because I'm hitting the streets tonight. It's St. Patty's Day. My mother is going out. Joe! Please turn off the heat.
sipping on that lean. Careful with my team. Sipping on that lean. Careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean. Careful with my team. Sipping on that lean. Careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean. Careful with my team. Sipping on that lean. Careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean. Careful with my team. Sipping on that lean. Careful with the cream.
This is so cute. The hair feels so beautiful. The unit is relatively big hair friendly, but in the best kind of way. Like, I think it's kind of for everybody. The lace is phenomenal. Like, absolutely positively phenomenal. Kind of want all of this to go back though. Like, I'm trying to give no baby hairs. We just want to give scalp tonight. Y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Look at that. Scalp. No flyaways. All right, I'm gonna get dressed. My loves, I'm back with my NadulaHair. Okay, this is the Auburn Brown Body Wave unit. Now, I noticed when I was kind of recording and getting this done that I hadn't even filmed the end of this video, so you guys can get a full look. Now, I want you to keep in mind, from the day I started this video to now, it's been 4 days. I've worn this unit 4 days straight, and this lace still looks good. She's still kind of holding up. I'm a little crunchy on the sides. But other than that, she really does look wonderful. I was using the IVU accessory. Hold on. Okay, to keep my curls. I hope it stayed. So this is like the wand. You have like a fabric wand and you wrap your hair around it. Okay, I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Where am I lighting at? Come on, y'all. There we go. I'll leave the link below so you guys can check it out. But it really is a way that you can kind of keep your hair intact. And that's what I'm trying to do at the moment. So I'm going to go on through, pull this one out. Okay. Hopefully she still looks like something. This unit really has been fantastic and fabulous though. Like I said, I've worn her for like 4 days straight. And I'm a little nervous if I'm being honest. But this unit kind of been rocking with me all week. So we're going to get her together. Okay. I'm just going to pull this down as well. Okay. So you're just supposed to be able to like lift her up. I don't know why I got this one. Okay. So this is her all out. I'll take my comb. I have like a wide tooth. I got a wide tooth comb. I just want to kind of like pull this one out. That worked. And it wasn't too bad to sleep on either, guys. Like, okay. For so many reasons, this is one of my favorite units. Like, I love the lace is insane. I'm gonna insert some videos from like day 1 and day 2 and how she was late for the motherfucking guys, honey. Even my husband was like, damn, babe, like you really did that. I really do like this unit. I love the color. Like, look at the color. She's just so stunning. And the hair, the texture of the hair really isn't bad. I was a little bit normal. I was a little bit worried about whether or not it was getting fried a little bit. But I think that's because like I was like curling her up, trying to get her to be just look a certain way. Yep, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. And I kind of think she came through with the come through. Like, I'm really feeling like Poison Ivy and my green and my red, my Ivy Park. This unit is fucking fire. Like, I really love this unit. If you know me, you know I do not go through the... If it's a weekend, I'm probably changing my hair like 3 times. Like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I have different hair. I wore this all freaking weekend and I loved it every day. And she just came together every freaking day. And that to me is all you can ask for. Like, this unit was fried out, laid to the side, and mama came together. She stinks, she's nasty, she's ready to go, okay? She's poison, she's an evil motherfucking villain, but sexy. But powerful, but all the things mama is giving. And again, I want to be clear. This is after 4 days. I've worn this unit for 4 days. I've worn it, slept, and I slept in it. So I didn't take it off or anything. So that's important to note too. Like, you know what I mean? Like, she has a little, she's there for the long run. She want to be, she's not really a one night stand situation, okay? Tell me if you can see my tracks in the back. I got a little bun back there, so that might be what y'all seeing. But I really do love this unit. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I'll insert some video from like previously and everything like that. But I'm obsessed. Like absolutely positively obsessed. I have nothing left to give. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Check out NadulaHair.com. Bye.